I've recently recorded a video about an OS 10 or a Mac app called Scribbles, which is a really powerful but simple drawing app for OS 10 because OS 10 doesn't come with anything to let you draw simple apps. It's something many Mac users are looking for. Now, yes, you've realised it's a new camera angle. It's further away. I'm not really sure if I like the new camera angle, so please leave a comment and tell me what you think about it. Because right now I'm probably going to move it back to there, unless everyone prefers it. Because I prefer it there. I don't like it that far away. But tell me what you think. Back to OS 10 drawing apps. Here's another one, Paintbrush. Yes, you might recognize that name. That was what Paint on Windows used to be called, Paintbrush. DR984 in the chat at jackie.com just told me about this program. I actually already knew about it. I'm going to turn that fan off while I'm recording this video. I actually already knew about Paintbrush for OS 10. Well, I used to. I've actually used it before, probably about 7 months ago. When I used it then, I didn't like it. It didn't really work too well. But since then, they've updated it. Now just imagine Paint on Windows, but with a nicer interface and a nicer user interface, and on OS 10. They're exactly the same as Paint. There's no, I can't find any extra features. I can't find anything that it doesn't have that Paint does. It has the paintbrush, the eraser, spray paint tool thing, fill bucket. You can choose colors for the foreground color, the background color, whatever you call it. It's actually got, there's an extra tool I've just found. It's a bomb in the toolbox, and when you click it, everything goes that color. So I've like start again, or just fill everything a certain color. It's a bit pointless really. There's one extra feature. It's got the line tool, the bendy line tool, squares, circles, everything Paint has, even the features like flipping things round. It's got everything. It looks very similar to Paint, but since they've clearly updated this since I last used it, because when I last used it, it was rubbish. Well, I thought it was anyway. You might have been using it all this time and not had a problem with it. This isn't as simple as Scribbles, which is still probably my favourite drawing tool because it's so simple but so useful and powerful. But if you want an alternative to Paint on a Mac, if you've recently switched for example, this is the perfect one, Paintbrush. If you Google it, it's the first one. I think it's the first one that comes up, paintbrush.sourceforge.net. so it's obviously open source, I assume. So there's a bit of a description there about it, some screenshots. It's free to download for OS 10. So take a look, paintbrush.sourceforge.net. By the way, that's SOURCEFORGE.NET. Paintbrush.sourceforge.net. That's the website where you can download Paintbrush. Basically just Paint but for Mac. It's exactly the same, it's just got a nicer user interface. It's not as ugly as Paint is on Windows. It does all the same stuff though, so I'm not going to talk about it any longer. If you like the sound of it, go and download it. If not, then why are you still watching this video? My website, jackie.com, jak-e.com, that's where you'll find my blog, a live stream where you'll see this view all the time, not just in videos. I try to stream 24/7. I'm not really sure how much longer that will continue, so I'm not going to say 24/7 stream anymore. Live stream, live chat, my blog, and lots more. Jackie.com. Thanks for watching.